about fundamental of criminal investigation and intelligence. Chapter 1. Give me a clear understanding of what criminal investigation really means and why it's play a vital role in the justice system. I realized that investigation is not just about solving crimes, but also about playing systematic method regarding accurate information and using intelligence to prevent future offenses. It emphasizes the importance of true evidence and proper procedure and every step. I also learned that investigator must processes not only technical skills but also honesty, patience, and critical thinking to handle cases effectively. This means me appreciate how challenging but meaningful the work of enforcer is because they carry the responsibility of protecting the community and ensuring justice. Overall, this chapter helped me reflect on the value of discipline and integrity. In investigation, it inspired me to see investigation and intelligence not only as processes in law enforcement but also as important practices that uphold peace and order in society.